Hey curlies and curly supporters, I'm Heather Love and this is That Curly Life. Today I'm interviewing my friend Cassie. I was able to interview her while I was in California for Christmas. Cassie has long, voluminous, curly hair and I love it. She's a college student. She has different things going on in her life than I have. It's great to hear from someone who has a different opinion and different ideas and different circumstances and how they deal with having curly hair. So here's Cassie talking about what it's like to live that curly life. Hi, Cassie.
Hi.
Thank you so much for coming and letting me come to you, actually. Tell me about your hair journey. Tell me about, did you always leave it this way?
No.
Have you always, no. Straight up, no.
No.
Where did it start? What did you used to think about your hair? You know.
Yeah. I actually always just had really thick hair growing up and it had a wave. And then at 8 or 9, I wanted to chop it all off. So I cut it all off to my shoulders. It was like down to my butt. And when I did that, it all sprung up and got super curly and I did not know what to do with it. So I didn't like it because no one else I knew had curly hair except for my older sister. So quickly, once I hit middle school and everyone started actually doing their hair, I wanted to straighten it all the time. And I actually got straight bangs, I think in the 5th or 6th grade. Which is not a good choice for people that have curly hair, unless you're planning to like have that style of curly like bangs.
Oh, yeah.
But I didn't.
Doing it every day.
Oh, I did it every day. I would straighten just my bangs and I would like put my hair into like a bun, or I would like, even if I didn't wear my hair down, my bangs were always straight. So my poor front end of my hair was like so fried all the time. Really tired of straightening it all the time because it got so long. But then I cut it again senior year of high school. And I didn't like the way it looked curly. So I straightened it every day. So I liked my hair in a bob straight, but not curly. And it was only if I like absolutely couldn't straighten it that I would wear it curly. So yeah, it wasn't until college and it started growing out more that I was like, oh, I like it curly because it doesn't look like a fro. So I've only straightened my hair once this whole year, and that's like the longest I've gone without straightening it or putting like heat on it. I found DevaCurl and I found their awesome different like masks and like deep conditioning. It's called Mr. Right by DevaCurl and it's so great. It's a mist and it's like a blend of oils and stuff to like, so for like your second, third day to like keep it up and nice and bouncy, and so it smells really good to spray and you kind of like spray it in. It's really nice. I like recommend that to like everybody. I love on their labels it says, is this for me? How do I use it? So you can really see like, oh, this is what I'm needing. Oh, that's not really like my hair. So like there's like the wavy, and they split it up like wavy, curly, and then like really curly.
So tell me about these masks, because I don't know how to do any of that stuff. I never put masks in my hair. I feel like, oh, that's for people with like really dry hair.
I always thought my hair was like not dry. So I was like, oh, I don't need to do a deep conditioner. Like my conditioner when I wash my hair is enough. But then the first one was the Buildup Buster. So you just like put it in, it gets all the product out and leaves it super like nice and soft. But then I did, it's like a seaweed one. And it's called Deep Sea Repair. And it basically is a mask that you put on for 15 to 20 minutes. They say to put like, for best results, like a cap on and like add some heat.
Oh, and add heat.
Yeah. Or they have like the DevaCurl towel that you can like put on for like added like warmth. But I put it on and it's supposed to like basically bring your hair back to life. Like if you've had heat damage or like any of those things. And so I do it about once a week.
Really?
But it's like brought a lot of the like bounciness and like uniformity back, and I've only done it, I've had it for like 2 months now. But then they also have a matcha green tea mask. It's called Melt into Moisture. That's really nice. That also, I've only done it once. I got a little sample one, but same thing. It really like helps keep like your curls like bouncy and really like nice. And
do you do anything to like revitalize your hair like a few days after?
Yeah.
And it's like,
yeah, people actually make fun of me because I actually sleep with my head off of the bed. Like
what?
My hair is like off the bed because I don't like when it gets messed up from the pillow. Like it gets like all like one section that's like this and then like another one that's all bouncy and it doesn't look right. So I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, I start like my bed is big enough that I can sleep at an angle, and I put just my hair off the side of the bed.
But like part of your head's still on your bed, so you're getting some
kind of
support,
yeah.
so
Like
your
so
neck's
the
not just
underneath the underneath of my head is on there, but it's like if you were to like lay down and pull your hair up.
Yeah.
Like, so I do that. So I'm trying to find though. Like I know some of my friends that have like a little more like kinky hair, or whatever. They do like a bonnet, like or
silk pillowcases.
Yeah, and so I was like, maybe I should look into this. My hair's getting longer because I feel like I shouldn't be, but
yeah. How's your back? I'm only thinking about.
It's fine now. Don't get me wrong. Having curly hair is not. Sometimes having straight hair is easier in that you can just really wake up and go and touch up, and like that's it. Yeah. And if I'd wear my hair straight, like I could sleep on my pillow. Like it wouldn't mess it up. Having the curly hair, I don't have to worry about. Like the worst is if you straighten it or whatever. Any form of like moisture or wetness, instant, like all your hard work like is so gone, and it sucks, and you start like seeing little like kink coming in, and it's the worst, and so much work trying to like make sure like it's the rain, like, oh my gosh, I can't get my hair wet. And like now I'm like, I don't care. Like you can just go out and it's fine.
And the best part you'd say about having curly hair?
I don't know. It's just nice to like be different, because everyone's curls are different, and like you have shorter hair. Like everyone just has a different look, and it's cool to have something. Not that straight hair isn't still beautiful. I still like, I love people, and the styles you can do are different.
Yes.
But it's just cool to have something that's like so unique to you.
I thought the best part was when Cassie was talking about laying down off the side of her bed for her hair to look great in the morning. What are some crazy things that you do to keep your hair going just as nice at night so it transfers into beautiful curls the next day? I do a pineapple, on the top of my head every night, and I swear it looks better the second day than it did the first. I don't know. It's magic, guys. So what do you guys do? You can contact me at heatherallisonlove@gmail.com, or you can contact me through my website, heatherallisonlove.com, or on Instagram at heatherallisonlove. I bet you couldn't have guessed that one. If you want to see pictures of Cassie's beautiful hair and the beautiful California sun, you can see that at heatherallisonlove.com/blog. I have some great guests coming up, guys, and you don't want to miss it. So a way to not miss it is to subscribe. Subscribe to my videos, and you'll be the first curly to know who my next guest will be. I love you, curlies, and I hope that you keep rocking that beautiful hair.